Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will share how you can add a custom live wallpaper to your desktop or laptop. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So open up your Microsoft Store, search for Lively Wallpaper, click on Install. Once it is installed, click on Open. Here you'll only get the default wallpapers. In order to add the custom wallpaper, open your browser and search for Motion BGS. This website provides you with a variety of 4K live wallpapers. You can go through the categories as well. I'm going to search for a car wallpaper. You can click on the download button to save it on your computer system. Once it's done, open Lively Wallpaper and click on this plus icon. Select the file we just downloaded. Finally, click OK. And there you have your custom 4K live wallpaper. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.